5 beginner-friendly yoga stretches movement. 1. Start in a low lunge position. Place your front foot as far forward as feels comfortable, with your front knee bent to around 90 degrees. Then slowly move your body forwards, and reach your hands forwards as well. Go only as far as you can while feeling a gentle stretch through your back and hips. Place your forehead in a comfortable position, and hold here for 1 to 3 minutes. Complete 3 sets. This stretch can help open up the hip area and improve mobility around the pelvis. Movement 2. Step one leg out to the side and keep the other leg extended. Raise your left arm towards the right and reach your right arm upwards. Throughout the movement, imagine reaching as far as possible with your lower hand. Then lengthen both arms and gently lean to the side. Only go as far as you can feel a clear stretch along your side. Remember, don't round your back. Keep your spine long and extended. Hold for 1 to 3 minutes, complete 3 sets, then switch sides. Movement 3. Place one leg forwards with your foot in front of your hips. Put a yoga block in front of you and place your hands on it. For beginners, start here and focus on feeling a stretch along the back of your thigh. If you don't feel enough of a stretch, lower the block or place your hands closer to the floor. As your flexibility improves, remove the block and reach your hands further forwards. Bring your forehead towards your calf until you feel a clear stretch along the back of your leg. Hold for 1 to 3 minutes, complete 3 sets, then switch sides. Movement 4. Prepare 2 yoga blocks, roughly shoulder width apart. Place your elbows on the blocks and move your knees backwards. Rest your forehead on your forearms while keeping your thighs roughly perpendicular to the floor. This stretch helps open and lengthen the back of your legs while also improving shoulder and upper back mobility. Hold for 1 minute, complete 3 sets, then switch sides. Movement 5. Lie on your back and bend your knees. Bring your right knee upwards and let your left knee move downwards. Bring both legs together and hold your knees with your hands. If you can't reach them comfortably, simply place your hands beside you. Bring your right knee across to the left side of your body. Place your left hand on your knee and your right arm out to the side. Turn your head to the right and close your eyes. Relax your shoulders and allow your spine to gently rotate. Focus on feeling the stretch through your back. Hold for 1 minute and complete 3 sets, then switch sides. These 5 movements are particularly suitable for beginners. Whether you already have some experience or you've never exercised before, these gentle stretches are a great place to start. They're simple, basic, and beginner-friendly. But remember, the details are the most important part.